Hello everyone and welcome to the iQBox webinar. I'm Carl from the product marketing team and I'll be your presenter today. Our technical support team is also here to assist with any questions. Today's agenda, I'll start with a brief introduction of the iQBox, followed by a hardware overview and key features. Then I'll share a real case study. We'll end with a Q&A session. So what's iQBox? It's a remote video surveillance box with several customizable setups. You can choose one with 3 turret cameras, or one with 2 bullets and 1 turret. We also have a PTZ version coming soon. It will include 2 turrets or 2 180-degree dual lens cameras. It also includes a 15-watt horn speaker and strobe light on the outside. Inside, it has a built-in PoE switch and an alarm audio control board. You can mount it on a wall or a pole. For storage, it supports local SD cards and cloud storage through our Cloud VMS. Playback is available both on the Homaxi View app and on our Cloud VMS. First, let's go over what's included. Mounting screws for the analog speaker, screws for connecting the camera to the box, accessories for both pole and wall mounting, cables for connecting the cameras to the industrial switch, alarm cables for connecting the camera to the alarm audio control board, and an audio cable for connecting the host camera to the alarm audio control board. Next, let me show you the iQBox. It has red and blue warning lights on the front. Cameras can be mounted directly on both sides of the box or attached via wall brackets. On the right, there's a key lock for security. On the back, a mounting bracket. The top is designed for speaker installation. Finally, here's a look inside the iQBox. It includes an AC power module, a platform for securing the 4G router and routing its antenna to the top, and an industrial switch that connects the cameras to the internet via wired 4G or Wi-Fi bridge. There's also an alarm audio control board that links the cameras to the speaker system, enabling each camera to trigger the external lights and speaker. A built-in fan ensures proper cooling. First, I'll play a recorded video demonstration showcasing the key features and real-world performance of the iQBox.
Warning, you are trespassing on private property. Leave immediately. You are being watched and recorded. Law enforcement will be dispatched if you do not leave now. This is your final warning. Leave the area immediately. Warning, you are trespassing on private property. Leave immediately. You are being watched and recorded. Law enforcement will be dispatched if you do not leave now. This is your final warning. Leave the area immediately. You are trespassing on private property. Leave immediately. You are being watched and recorded. Law enforcement will be dispatched if you do not leave now. This is your final warning. Leave the area immediately.
Second, with SD cards inserted, you can access playback via Homaxi View app. Third, you can arm or disarm the camera using the app. For example, tapping this button disarms the camera, so it won't trigger the speaker when an event occurs. Tapping the button again rearms the camera, allowing it to trigger the speaker upon the next event.
Warning, you are trespassing on private property.
Finally, the app also allows you to manually trigger the speaker for warnings or enable two-way audio. I now ask my technical team to assist with the demo.
Hello, I do.
Welcome to the webinar.
Here is the real case study. One of our customers installed the iQBox in downtown LA, mounted at a height of 18 feet. When sound crosses the set lines, the iQBox activates its deterrence system by emitting loud warnings and flashing red and blue lights. Here is a video I recorded on site.
Leave immediately. You are being watched and recorded. Law enforcement will be dispatched if you do not leave now. This is your final warning. Leave the area immediately.
Thank you everyone for attending today's webinar. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have.